Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're looking at decorating in a relaxed country style. This style is warm, natural and inviting, blending modern and time-worn furniture, decorative objects, and one of its most appealing features is its intentionally mismatched textures and patterns, adding life and energy to the decor. The colour palette features a base of chalky whites, taupe and greys in matte finishes. This neutral canvas is complemented by rustic timbers, stone and decorative cast iron details, adding visual depth and character. Soft shades of muted reds, blues, ochres and pastel greens are interwoven throughout the home to energise and add warmth and comfort to the interior. Architectural elements for this style include exposed wooden beams, tongue and groove timber cladding, time-worn textured walls and richly detailed timber architraves and skirting boards. Painted or original stripped floorboards are the dominant flooring choice, alongside natural stone and vintage tiles. These are softened by rugs of sisal, braided jute, wool, cotton or Turkish rugs, adding layers of texture and colour. Vintage chandeliers sit comfortably alongside oversized pendants, either enamelled or woven from raffia, cane and wicker. Relaxed country homes invite a slower pace of living, so ceramic and iron table lamps with bespoke fabric shades and floor lamps of brass, timber and iron add focused lighting to reading nooks and living room spaces. This style favours natural light and minimal window coverings. Simply hung curtains and Roman blinds of natural fibres in plains, florals, stripes or checks introduce a simple elegance and work to soften rustic architectural elements. Furniture is generally informal, unfussy and primarily selected for comfort and relaxation. You'll find a combination of modern pieces that work in harmony with heirloom antiques, repurposed and time-worn furniture that adds a sense of soul and nostalgia to the home. Dining chairs, tables, desks and hutches can be French polished, stripped or painted in chalky muted colours, or a delightful combination of the three. Generous kitchen islands are the gathering point for conversation, featuring shiplap details and rustic hardware, offering ample space for bar stools crafted from wood, rattan or iron. Slip-covered washable lounges and armchairs are a feature and nestle alongside upholstered bay window seats that have piled with feather-filled scatter cushions, creating the perfect nook for spending time. A melody of patterns in soft furnishings such as hand-blocked prints, florals, stripes, gingham checks and wool plaid add colour, texture and interest. Hardware in worn brass or bronze and storage boxes and baskets of worn leather, wicker and rattan add to the layers of texture. Large, vertical and arched mirrors with iron or wooden frames anchor entryways and fireplace mantles. Smaller framed vintage still life and landscape compositions are grouped together in kitchen and dining nooks or nestled into vignettes on the open bookshelves and consoles. Framed watercolour botanicals, oil portraits and decorative wallpapers are seen in studies, hallways and bedrooms. Objects that are collected over the years are displayed throughout the home, on consoles, bedsides, open bookcases and kitchen cabinetry. Accessories include enamelware, glass, leather-bound books, chalky white ceramics, woven baskets, trays, chopping boards and zinc watering cans to house blooms. Throughout the country home, there is an abundance of fresh flora, with the aim to bring the outside indoors. Unstructured wildflowers, hydrangeas, autumnal leaves, lichen-covered branches and fresh herbs are picked from home gardens and simply displayed in old vessels, rattan baskets or hung to dry. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these relaxed country design tips in your own home. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.